store making salat. Been taking 3 flavors. Shoot the nigga now, we speak later. Up the wicked, got the Mac with me, hit behind the Warhol. Dip the bird door, shut up the whole score. Cherry 57 in the back, learning lessons. Cracking, drying it, be ready and attacking. 40 chains on, halo, I'm a guard nigga. Fear a guard, jog and rock a nigga. I don't even jog, hanging out the wagon sunroof. Pick the nigga off. Meal with the chill bezel. All my phones ready to make them feel special. Banana pill AK, I'm looking real extra. With the top keys and money green Teslas. So Virgil, right brick on my brick. Right brick on my brick. So Virgil, right brick on my brick. Hey yo, Amiri's filled with cash, I'm in the fashion district. Shoot your mama house is full of half the picking. All my niggas stealing, all my niggas killing. The niggas try to test me, now them niggas missing. Newport is still awesome. Water whip coke, I still force it. Rose out the faucet. Tell Virgil, right brick on my bread.
Lil Brody let off his 30, he ain't even flinch. Caught the body, dip to the A, nobody seen him since. 560 Benz and I ain't need the tents. My weakest scent cost more than your mama need for rent. That's just for one sip, the drum rip, leave you rinse. Hide the body for a week and it's gon' leave a stench. Rappers coming to my city, they gon' need consent. Cause we already know you pussy, nigga, we convinced. I told Virgil, right brick on my brick. The nicest with this shit, ain't right this, I just spit. White bitch on my dick, this ice drip on my fist. No shoe deal, but look at all this Nike shit that I